Assalamu alaikum dear students. I am your science teacher. I hope that you all are fine and studying properly at your homes and done with the step 1 of spring task. Today we are going to start our unit number 3, the plant world, and our topic is classification of plants from your book page 34 to 36, and this is lecture number 1. The learning objective is you should able to name the main groups of plant kingdom, means into which groups the plant kingdom is divided into. Now the diagnostic assessment for you is, what do you understand by plant kingdom? Means you have to tell in your words, you have to explain what do you know about this. Now come to the understanding of the topic. First of all, we will discuss the tree of plant kingdom. The plant kingdom is divided into two types. The first one is spore bearing plants and the second one is seed bearing plants. Means two types. One type is having spore and the other type is having seed. The spore bearing plants include algae, mosses or liverworts, ferns, and seed bearing plants include flowering plants or conifers. These are non-flowering plants and these are angiosperms. These are flowering plants. The angiosperm is further divided into two classes, monocotyledons and dicotyledons. These are divided on the basis of cotyledons present inside the seeds of these plants. Here you can see the picture of angiosperms and gymnosperms. These are angiosperms, the plants having flower, and these are gymnosperm or conifers, and these are having cones. Angiosperms and gymnosperms. These are evergreen plants and they are having needles. This is cones. Next, now we will further discuss the detail about these types of plants. Angiosperms. These are also known as flowering plants, means these plants are having flowers. Their seeds are contained within their flower and the seeds are present in these plants inside the or within the flower. The flower attract insect and other small animals that then scatter the seed. Means how the seeds are scattered of these plants, the flower attract any insect or small creature like butterflies etc, and these insects come to the flower and then be the source to spread the seeds of these plants. Their example includes fruit trees and palm trees. Now gymnosperms, they are having the transport system and seed just like the angiosperms, but they do not have flowers. What is the main difference between gymnosperm and angiosperm? The main difference is presence of flowers. मीन्स जिम्नोस्पर्म्स में फूल यानी कि फ्लावर्स नहीं होते और एंजियोस्पर्म्स में फूल होते हैं. The gymnosperms are conifers. Why they are called conifers? Because they are having cones and needles on their branches. The presence of cones name them conifers, and they are evergreen and common in cooler northern hemisphere. They are evergreen means they always stay green. Examples are conifers include pine, fir and spruce trees. Now the third class is ferns, that are spore bearing plants. They have roots, leaves, stems and trunks like other vascular plants. Which plants are called vascular? That are having xylem and phloem, means the vascular bundles. The plant which is having vascular bundle is called vascular plant, and the vascular bundle includes xylem and phloem. The xylem helps the plant to transport water and the phloem helps the plant to transport food. Next, they do not have seeds. Instead they produce through spores. Means the ferns are not having seeds. Instead they They reproduce through the spores. Now an amazing scientific fact. The largest flower in the world is Titan arum. Titan arum. It is native to Indonesia and produces flowers almost 3 meters high. Almost 3 meters high and 1 meter wide. Means these flowers are present in Indonesia and their height is 3 meters and their width is 1 meter, and you would not want to get too close to it because its smell is just like decaying flesh, which is why they are known as corpse flowers. corpse हम कहते हैं लाश को, ठीक है। इसकी स्मेल इस तरह की होती है जैसी एक लाश से आती है। इस वजह से वो आपको बता रहे हैं कि आप ये नहीं चाहेंगे कि आप इस प्लांट के करीब जाएं, लेकिन ये वर्ल्ड का लार्जेस्ट फ्लावर है जिसका नाम है टाइटन एरम। ओके, ये हमारा आज का लेक्चर था एंड you will practice this tree diagram of plant kingdom and you will learn it. This is your assessment. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.